Ciao a tutti, welcome back. So first and foremost, I wanted to mention about yesterday's wine. For those of you that pitched and guessed, yes, it was a Trento DOC, but Rotari was a 2013 vintage Trento DOC, which is something really special. I really suggest strongly people in general to try this category of wines. Very, very fascinating. Anyhow, today I wanted to introduce a different wine from another part of Italy. It's the land of the Etruscans, is where they settled since the 9th century BC. We are specifically in an area that is between the Val d'Orcia and Val di Chiana, where historically some of the great red wines from this region have been produced. In this specific region, the soils are predominantly of marine origin. So they're soils that were formed by ancient watercourses. Elevations, though, vary quite a bit between 250 and 600 meters. So things can be quite varied. Anyhow, today's wine is a wine that has a fairly dark concentration. As you can see, the color is fairly dark to the core, plenty of ruby, although there's a little bit of garnet to the rim. So it tells us a wine that has a little bit of age to it, but not extremely old. Aromatically speaking, the wine immediately has this beautiful black cherry. Together with that, there's a Mediterranean shrub. There's a almost like a forest floor quality with dried out leaves, a little bit of mushroom element, and definitely a touch of spice that also makes it fairly vibrant and exciting on the nose. And on the palate, beautiful, beautiful, refreshing acidity. Very common with this area. In this neck of the woods, the wines are typically blended. I'm just going to give you a little bit of a hint here. There's a 10% Canaiolo Nero. There's a blending partner. Although the traditional blending partner in this wine historically was Mammolo. Then again, there's other blending partners, used. The wine has an extremely fresh acidity, very lively, good structure. I mean, the tannins here in this neck of the woods, they're not super bold as you can find in other parts of this region. But again, the wines live and thrive mostly on acidity, freshness, vibrancy, extreme cleanliness on the palate. Definitely fantastic food wines. Please follow me again tomorrow. Salute, in alto I cuori, and I'll see you tomorrow. Ciao.